In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect the printer Brother MFC-L2820DW Excel printer to your computer wirelessly. So if this is a brand new printer, you need to do the initial setup of this printer on your on your printer. Like you can just unbox your printer and then load the cartridge, load the paper, and do the initial setup on the printer on the printer display. So to do that, you need to follow this installation guide that came with the printer. So this is the guide you must have already got. If you haven't received this one with the printer, I can put it on the in the video description. You can just find it from there, and then you need to follow the instruction how to unbox the printer properly, open the cartridge, put the cartridge in the printer, load the paper, and then just do the initial setup like choosing the language, your country, and all that. So once this is all done, so the initial setup is done, then you can download the software on your computer. To download the software, you need to go to this support.brother.com website, and then you need to, there is a search box, that's where you need to enter your printer name. So in my case, this is the printer, so I'm going to put that model number there, and this is the printer we have, right? So from here we have to select the which operating system we have. So in my case, I have Windows 11, but you could have Mac or any other device, so you can select from there. I'm going to go with the Windows 11, so I'll click OK, and then I can see this all driver list that we have here. So okay, so I'm going to download this full software and the driver package. So it will come with all the necessary driver and the package, I mean including the scanner app and the firmware updates and all that. I'll get all that software included in this including in this software. So I'm going to click on this one, and then I'll click on the agree and download, right? So I'll just click on this one and it will start downloading the software in the browser. So once it is downloaded, you can see the down arrow will be created here. So you need to click on that once the software is downloaded, and double click and run that software. It will give you a step-by-step instruction to set up the printer in the computer. If you have any problem setting up the printer on your computer, I will put my contact number in the video description. You can contact us for any help. Thank you so much.